Hi everyone.
Hello.
So this is Julia from Adventure Geek. Today we're doing a walk in London. So we're going to go hunting for
Noses and ears.
noses, ears and a few other things as well. So there's 20 of us. We're meeting here. Some of us are meeting here at Euston Station. We're getting on the train to Euston and we'll meet everyone else at Euston. So we'll see you there. Okay, so we're at the first one, which is the Tudor style colour. This is number 1 on your map. So yeah, this is, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Alright, so Mo has sorted out the very first nose. So the first nose for you guys is just here. A few selfies to be taken with the noses. Okay, so some noses which looks more like a nail. A nice black cat. Third nose, nose number 3, and spotted by Sue a mile off. Alright, so this is our first ear. Ear.
Ear.